The 2023 Rolex Investment Guide. Top timepieces with potential to skyrocket in value. If you're someone who appreciates the timeless elegance of a good wristwatch, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into a world where luxury meets investment, where style meets value, and where time is not just a ticking clock, but a ticking treasure. So, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Trust me, you won't want to miss our future watch-related content. Today, we've got a real gem for you, a discussion about some of the most sought-after Rolex timepieces of 2023. And no, you don't need to be a millionaire to appreciate these horological masterpieces. We'll be talking about watches that can be a smart investment for just about anyone. We'll take you through the top picks that are not only incredibly stylish, but are also likely to put a big smile on your face when you check their value down the line. So, buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey through the world of Rolex watches and the investment potential they hold. If you're as passionate about watches as we are, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and join the conversation in the comments section below. Let's dive into this horological adventure together. First on the list is the Rolex Cosmograph Daytona 116500LN, a fantastic choice for collectors seeking a modern Daytona with strong investment potential. Introduced in 2016, this was the first steel Daytona with a ceramic bezel, creating substantial anticipation. Even today, it still has lengthy waiting lists at authorized dealers. While the Daytona market has seen some decline, it didn't drop as significantly as other markets. Retail prices for Daytonas are nearly impossible to find, and demand for these watches continues to drive prices much higher. As of January 2023, the retail price for this model is $14,800. However, the average market values range from $27,900 to $33,135, with a peak in 2022 at $48,500. In the last 6 months, the price has dropped by over $2,000, but over the past year, it has started to rise again. This supports the experts' assertion that Daytonas and other top Rolex timepieces are remarkably resilient assets. Second, the Rolex Submariner Steel Ref 16610 is one of the most famous and sought-after watches globally. It's a timeless timepiece that has been in production since 1954. While it might be considered old by some, it remains extremely popular and is a must-have for collectors, whether they are seasoned or just starting out. The Rolex Submariner has received endorsements from notable figures, including Sean Connery and Michael Phelps. The reference, 16610, produced from 1988 to 2010, was the last Submariner to feature an aluminum bezel insert and the classic case proportions of the series. The models that came after this reference were upgraded with a more robust supercase, a scratch-resistant ceramic bezel, and solid bracelet links. While these changes represented modern and ergonomic improvements, the Ref 16610 always springs to mind when one mentions the Submariner. In terms of investment potential, the Ref 16610 had a retail price of $737. In 2021, its market price increased to $1,553, and by 2022, it rose further to $9,900. This trend suggests that it's a good time to invest in this classic piece, considering its significant appreciation in value since 2021, with the potential for further appreciation in the coming years. It's not often that you can find a classic Rolex for under $10,000 these days, making it a perfect opportunity for investment. Third, the Rolex GMT Master II Ref 16750 Pepsi has consistently been one of the most popular watches globally, and for good reason. There is perhaps no travel watch more iconic than the GMT Master, with the blue and red bezel being the most iconic. If you're fortunate enough to purchase one at retail price, it's one of the few models that can quickly be resold for a substantial profit. However, for a solid investment, consider targeting the discontinued and older models. Introduced in the 1980s, the Ref 16750 offers a vintage feel with its plexiglass crystal and matte dial, while providing the convenience of the quick-set date function. It's currently available at a relatively lower price. The Ref 16750 originally sold for $2,900 in the 1980s, and its market value in March 2023 stands at $7,295, an 8% decrease from its peak price in February 2023. This demonstrates the enduring value of this iconic reference, even in a fluctuating market. Fourth, the Rolex Explorer II Ref 16570 is a sports watch that fits comfortably on wrists of all sizes. Produced from 1989 to 2011, it retains the classic 40 mEr size and proportions of vintage Rolex watches while incorporating modern features from the 1990s and 2000s. Its demand is expected to grow because it was the last 40 mEr Explorer II produced by Rolex, and it introduces upgrades such as caliber 3185 and the transition from tritium to luminova luminescence. This watch satisfies the desire of collectors for classic Rolex sports watch proportions and sets a precedent with its technological advancements. The Rolex Explorer 16570 offers a choice between a white or black dial, known for its high contrast appearance, which has turned it into a beloved classic. The Explorer II reference 6570 is currently available in the pre-owned market for $8,991, compared to its original retail price of $632. While the price has remained relatively stable over the past 6 months, it did dip in early 2023. Fifth on the list is the Rolex President Day Date Ref 118238, the ultimate symbol of luxury timepieces. When you think of a Rolex Day Date, this is likely the one that comes to mind. This iconic watch is renowned globally for its design and heritage. Introduced at Basel World in 2015, the Rolex 11828 offers a more contemporary interpretation of the classic day date, making it more attractive to emerging markets. Its updated case design and broader lugs provide a sturdier and comfortable fit on the wrist. The double quickset feature enhances ease of use. The reference 11,828,238 is another classic that has dipped below its retail price. It was originally sold for $35,200 in 2020, but now averages $28,152 in the pre-owned market. Gold watches are experiencing a resurgence in the secondary market, and there are signs of an increasing trend for this reference. If you're interested, it's a good time to consider an investment. Hey, watch enthusiasts! I hope you found the information in this video as fascinating as I did. So, if you're considering diving into the world of luxury watches and making an investment, these Rolex pieces from 2023 are definitely worth your attention. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and found the insights helpful. And of course, if you want to stay updated with the latest in luxury watches, investment tips, and all things cool and shiny, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us, and it keeps us motivated to bring you more awesome content. Also, if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on these Rolex timepieces, please leave a comment down below. We love hearing from you, and your feedback is invaluable. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.